Thanks for shopping with All Things Automotive. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2023 GMC Sierra 2500 in the SLT trim. With just under 24,000 miles, this heavy-duty pickup truck is equipped with a 6.6-liter gas engine. It is four-wheel drive. It does have one monitor on the CARFAX with only one previous owner. CARFAX does rate this Sierra for great reliability. In the front, you will find this Sierra well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, your functional ram air hood. You also have a front camera, front proximity sensors, fog lights, and two front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new set of all-terrain Cooper tires, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a minute. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards. You'll also have power folding tow mirrors and LED clearance lights. Looks like we'll have some turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap with blind spot, LED reverse lights, keyless entry as well. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. You'll be met with a jet black theme with a lot of nice elements, including leather, gray stitching, faux wood grain, and some silver accents. As you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this GMC. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and ventilated front seats, leather upholstery, and power adjustments on both the driver and the passenger side. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space with storage on the backing of the seats, and they'll enjoy nice amenities like heated rear seats, USB and USB-C outlets paired with a 12-volt. You also have a flow-through center console here with a fold-down cup holder and armrest, power rear sliding glass, and storage located in the seats. There we go. Making our way back to the 6.5-foot bed, you will notice your integrated side steps here with your markers here on the side. You also have your rear integrated step and your multi-pro tailgate with your high-definition rear camera and your LED reverse lights, all with your towing equipment and rear proximities. And once we drop the tailgate, you'll notice your factory spray-in bed liner here. You also have your fifth wheel prep with your hitch receivers right here. And to the right, you'll have an additional 120 outlet. You also have LED cargo lighting. Making our way to the driver door, let's go ahead and check out some of the powered options here on the door. Up top, you'll have powered door locks with memory seating. You can set up the two profiles, and you also have your easy exit and entry button here. You'll also have powered door locks and mirror adjustments, and that does include power folding and power telescoping. To the left of the steering wheel, you'll have your trailering mode followed up with your four-wheel drive selections. Here we'll have a general lamp selector with brightness and dimming controllers for your interior and cluster lighting. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you'll receive two keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. To the right of the steering wheel, you'll have your push button start. Let's go ahead and confirm that mileage here. Just under 24,000 miles, no lights on the dash. And as far as steering wheel-matic controls are concerned, here you can see you do have a spot for your heated steering wheel option and some selections for your cruise control. And to the right, you'll have a selector for that center screen and the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And making our way to the main display and infotainment system, as you can see, it does come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And let's go ahead and bring up the onboard navigation here. So a really nice feature here in the SLT. Back to home, because I'm going to go ahead and engage the rear camera. As you can see, nice crystal clear display with 360 cameras all the way around, so tons of different camera views for your comfort and convenience. That's my favorite one right there. You can keep an eye on your cargo area right there. Down below, you'll have some simple radio controls followed up with dual automatic climate control, so either side can stay comfortable. Again, complete with heated and ventilated seats. Now here's the nice thing about these heated seats. You can heat your upper or lower or just your upper with 3 stages each. Down below, you'll have proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off. A tailgate release, 4-ways traction control on and off. That'll supply power to your 120 outlets. 12-volt USB and your USB-C here with your integrated trailer brake control. And if that's not enough, you have wireless charging right in the middle, 2 cup holders here, and a nice deep storage console with LED lighting with some more USB outlets and an auxiliary for that alternative audio. Up top, you will have integrated garage door openers with your power rear sliding glass paired with your LED map lights with your OnStar and SOS services. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. And under the hood, you'll have your tried and true 6.6-liter V8 gas engine. As you can see, super clean. No evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this vehicle has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. Little disclaimer here in the beginning of the video, I said that was a functional Ram air hood. This is an appearance sport hood for the gas model here. But in the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on the Sierra. Keeping in mind that it's a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. A lot of grill space here to go over, so let's go ahead and start with the chrome trim. As you can see, pretty clean, just a little bit of wear and tear from the road. Your onyx black exterior is in great shape, so not a lot of blemishes up top here. And of course, as you can see, headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, just a little bit of wear there. All the way down to your bottom bumper here, looks like we'll have a small scuff there. And coming around to your wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on that nice alloy wheel. All your plastics are in fantastic condition here with your LED markers. All the way up to your chrome badging and A-pillar. And then here on your mirror cap, as you can see, just some small spots of discoloration. Other than that, your lens covers are nice and in good shape. No cracks, no condensation, anything like that. Door handles, really nice. Slight scuffs and scratches above there. And on your outer door trim pieces, pretty clean. I do see one spot right there. Looking inside, exceptionally clean, no rip stains, tears, and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors, and as you can see, the leather is in great condition. If we look up, the headliner is free of any rip stains, tears, or anything like that. Coming back to the bedside, no dents, dings, or imperfections. Again, plastics, fantastic condition, clean underneath. All your badging and your tonneau cover, while not brand new, it is in really great condition here, like new condition. Let's go ahead and look at this Multi-Pro. There is a touch-up spot right here, just above your latch here for your Multi-Pro here. Why don't we go ahead and take this Multi-Pro down. Nice and clean here, as you can see. No scuffs or scratches. In conclusion, coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings to the vehicle body, all the way down to your cab corners and rockers. Everything's really clean. Running boards are in fantastic condition. If you have any questions on this particular GMC Sierra, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. Hopefully that's how you landed here on our YouTube page. But just make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this truck will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.